Hello guys, good morning. I'm very happy you are here. I'm Rinske Douna and today I'm gonna do a long acrylic pour painting. I'll be covering 3/4 of the base in pale olive green, and on the bottom I will be pouring a lot of colors, blowing them out, try to create a sort of beautiful composition. It's sort of the same style as how I do my ocean triptychs. I thought it's gonna be fun to use it with different colors and some more negative space. So cold here. Let's go. Okay, so it can be very well that this doesn't work out at all, but we will only know when we try, right? This is the pale olive green I was talking about. So let's cover a lot with that color. It's such a gorgeous color. I will blow that out. You know, already making a mess. I should fix those sides here. Okay, and what I'll be doing now is just pour here some color. So this is a dark olive green. And maybe some here as well. And then let's go with some white. Just kind of, randomly really. I have gray, because I love gray with this green, but not too much. And paints gray, and let's end with some gold. Maybe just some touch of white here. Oh no, and of course, yeah, there's a lot of paint, by the way, here. Yeah, and then let's end with some gold. Okay, very curious. So now I will blow all the colors down to the bottom. Yeah, like that. Oh, you see that lacing there? And now blow a bit up. Yeah, this is totally what I meant. This is definitely what I meant. Okay, so instead using on both sides negative space, I wanted it on one side and the bottom very busy. You know, I'm gonna look at it, see if I can tweak some things, but this went quite kind of fast. I still think there's so much paint on there. I don't know if that's gonna run or anything. Maybe I should blow a bit from there still. This part here and here, that's so beautiful. So many details. Yeah, I think I will blow from this again. It's different, but I definitely like this. I'll do the corners here, because that's not covered in paint. Yeah, very cool. Okay, it went so quick, Ooh. Okay, gonna give you a close-up here. Wow, you guys, how cool is this? I love that negative space, and then it's here so busy. So many details. You know, it's almost created a sort of brown bronze color with the paints gray and the gold, I guess, or the green. I don't know. I think definitely the paints gray and the gold makes this piece. Wow, I should do this again. I should definitely make one more. Yeah, that's beautiful. Let me show you from the other end, because I think if this is on top, that would be very cool too. And here you don't have that much glare as well. Yeah, that would be cool too, right? Like this. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And of course, what do you think overall, really? Should I do this again? Well, I'm gonna do this again no matter what you say. Yeah. Okay, well, super happy. And this color will dry so beautiful as well. You know what? I feel like doing one again. Got enough color as well. So yeah, here I go. So you probably will see that in the next video, but okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. It helps my channel a lot. Okay, bye bye.